Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then please consider subscribing and also press that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing 7 no cooking, high protein veg breakfast options. All the recipes are extremely easy to make. And if you have been following me on my Instagram, then you must be knowing that I make these recipes often. And if you're not following me, then the link is there in the description box. Please follow. The breakfast options that I'm gonna be showing you today is not just for the sake of making this video. I have actually eaten all these things the previous week and have shot it for you guys. So it's my actual breakfast routine. The ingredients are easily available and I personally love having these. So without talking anything else, let's just dive into the video. First up, for Monday, I had chickpea salad or salsa, whatever you want to call, you can call it. It's one of my favorite, and in fact, you will be listening this favorite word a lot of time in this video because all the recipes that I'm gonna be showing you are my absolute favorite. Boiled chickpea is full of protein and fiber. It contains tons of nutrients as well. It's great for your bone health, blood pressure, heart health, cholesterol, and mental health as well. Along with that, it's also beneficial for our skin and our health. The basic ingredients that you need to add to chickpea salad is, of course, boiled chickpea, tomatoes, onion, lemon, salt. That's it, and you are good to go. But I like to add little more ingredients in it. On Tuesday, I had some multigrain bread with peanut butter and papaya. The motto is to add seasonal fruits to your breakfast. The reason that why I chose multigrain bread is that it's made up of wheat flour, and the other flour that it contains are rich in fiber. It's a wiser choice for diabetic patients and heart patients, and also for those who wants to lose weight, as it's easy to digest. And the reason for consuming peanut butter in the morning is only that it keeps me fuller for a longer time. At the same time, it provides a good amount of protein along with the essential vitamins, minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and zinc, and it boosts health heart, manages blood sugar level, and it's great for women, especially if you start eating at a younger age, as it's said that it helps to reduce the risk of having breast cancer. While having peanut butter, you need to ensure 2 main things. Firstly, make a choice that your peanut butter does not contain artificial sweetener or any kind of sugar in it, and also don't eat it a lot. For Wednesday, we had horse gram sprout salad. For those who don't know what horse gram is, it's basically a lentil with n numbers of benefits. It's a traditional medicine for asthma, bronchitis, even for menstrual problems. It's great for your skin and hair. It also controls diabetes. It promotes weight loss, protects your liver function, and also treats kidney stones. The process of making sprouts is very simple. You just need to soak this lentil for approx 4 to 5 hours in water, and then just rinse the water out and allow it to rest for 12 to 13 hours, and you will be left with this amazing looking sprout. I make the horse gram salad in the same way as I make the chickpea salad, nothing different. For Thursday, I've got paneer sandwich. The motto is just to add paneer to your breakfast. You can eat it in whatever way you want to have. I have just added paneer, some onion, cucumber, tomatoes, black pepper, salt, and that's it. If you want, you can have it like this only, or otherwise just grill it a bit. I prefer using ghee instead of butter, as it again has more benefits. The nutritional benefits of eating paneer are it's great for your bone health, especially your teeth. Paneer is added as an essential component when you are on your way for your weight loss journey. It's great for diabetic patients. It builds immunity system stronger. Basically, it protects and prevents you from disease. Friday got a little bit lazy. However, I didn't compromise with the food that I take. So let me show you that what you can have on your lazy days. In fact, you can have it daily if you don't have time at all. A protein bar and some soaked nuts and fruits. The one that I have is Right Bite Max Protein Daily Protein Bar. It's made up of whole grain, seeds, nuts and cocoa powder. It's gluten-free, packed with minerals, vitamins, fiber and omega-3. Guys, it's surely a myth that protein bar is only for those who work out. We all need to fulfill our daily protein requirements. Along with the protein bar, I had 2 figs. It's an excellent source of probiotics that improves your gut health. It improves bones density, helps to get rid of any kind of sleeping disorder, reduces inflammation and redness on the skin, reduces toxins and high in antioxidants. It also a good source of calcium and potassium. Then I had dried pitted plants that are prunes. They are high in antioxidants, dietary fiber, zero cholesterol and sodium free, rich in potassium, folic acid, vitamin C and K. It's your heart's best friend. It improves the cardiovascular system, improves cholesterol levels, regulates your blood pressure and also slow down the anti-aging process. Then I had some soaked raisins. Raisins are full of natural sugar. It gives you the right amount of energy that you require to start your day. It regulates the blood pressure, aids digestion, boosts immunity, and increases the bone strength. Well, honestly speaking, I hate having raisins, fig, and prunes, but I eat it as they are packed with health benefits. Then I also had a cup of fennel seeds with honey. For the weekend, I had a plate full of fruits. We should always have the seasonal fruits that are available. The benefits are already known, so I'm not going to repeat it. Finally, on special Sunday, I had my favorite mango chia pudding. I have already shared the recipe last week on my Instagram, so you can go and check that out. I'll link it in the description box. Along with that, I had avocado and toast. To make this, I just toasted my multigrain bread with some olive oil. To make the avocado spread, just mash the avocado and add lemon juice, onion, black pepper and pink salt. If you like, you can add chili flakes as well. And it's done. It's ready to be served. Avocado is packed with protein, fat, fiber, potassium, minerals, vitamins, iron, etc. Great for your eyes, skin and hair. So these were the 7 breakfast ideas that will give you all the nutrients that your body requires and will keep you fuller for a longer time. The recipes are great for your health, skin and hair, and most importantly, they are easy to prepare. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, then please hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. And also share this video along with your friends and family. If you want to see more such kind of videos, then please let me know in the comment section. So yes, that's it for today. Now we'll meet on my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye.